Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, this box says, I can't read it. Men's belt. Okay, the plain box. Nothing to see here. You can open it up. Comes in another box. A pretty nice box. It's thicker than the other one. There it is. Comes in a pouch. Comes with a screwdriver. Phillips. I'm not sure what this is. Punch a hole, new hole. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Hole puncher. You can trim the belt if you need to. Never seen that come with a belt before. And then here's the belt itself, wrapped in plastic. Okay, has this here, some loops. That's, then you can make a hole if you need more hole here. And that is the belts. So yeah, if you need to adjust your belt, they get you a tool, which is nice. And a bag if you need to carry it. So if you're interested in this belt, the link will be in the description below. Use that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.